This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by MaryTess Edu. Priced below assessed value. Large home that features a 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bath home located in Waipahu. Although multifamily home is in need of a new roof, other repairs and updates, it has lots of potential to be a great home for the right buyers. Conveniently located near bus stop, freeways, school and shopping. Square footage and other information does not agree with tax records. Showings by scheduled appointment only. Please do not disturb occupants. For more information, review the details below.